Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Wella Professionals Fusion Intense Repair Combo, a powerhouse trio with a 250 ml shampoo, 200 ml conditioner, and 150 ml mask, all designed to revive damaged frizzy hair. Infused with Silk Steel Fusion technology featuring silk amino acids and micronized lipids, it claims up to 95% more resilience against breakage. Perfect for my bleached locks, so let's see if it delivers. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and salon chic. Shipped by RK World Infocom on Amazon, it arrived pristine. Love the metallic tubes. Starting with the shampoo, I wet my hair and massaged a small amount in. It lathers into a dense foam. The clean floral scent is subtle yet luxe. With EDDS to remove metallic impurities, it cleansed deeply without stripping. My hair felt soft and prepped. Users on Nika rave about its smoothness. Next, the conditioner. I applied it mid-length to ends, let it sit for 30 seconds, and rinsed. It's creamy and detangles like a dream. Silk amino acids made my hair feel stronger and shinier. No way down even on my fine hair. A reviewer on Look Fantastic called it a game changer for bleached hair. Finally, the mask. I used it weekly on towel-dried hair, combed it through, and left it for 5 minutes. It's rich and nourishing. My split ends looked tamed, and my hair felt elastic and hydrated. Nika reviews say it's like a salon spa at home. I agree. This vegan, cruelty-free combo is ideal for chemically treated or dry hair. It's not cheap at around 2,000 rupees, but the quality is pro level. My hair's smoother, less brittle, and glossier after a week. Though some say Redken works better for extreme damage, for me it's a keeper. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a full hair care routine using this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what hair care you want next. Maybe a heat protectant test. Thanks for watching.